Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Well, guys, blessed love. I know, as you can see, hey, welcome to King of Life in Jamaica. Blessed love, I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are and anywhere you're watching from. As you can see, we undergo some heavy rain, which is them say heavy blessings. Them say rain is a blessings, you know, because we all need water in our lives sometimes. So we give thanks, so blessed love. So guys, so remember, please, I thank you guys so much for the love and the support. You know, thank you for the positive comment. Thank you guys for reaching out. You know, thank you to all my subscribers that subscribe to my channel, that helped me to reach 70,000K. So I want to thank you. You know, thank you so much. The 70,000K subscribers. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting King of Life in Jamaica. And you don't know the viewers them who still watching have been subscribed. What are you waiting for? You don't want to be a part. You don't want to be a part of that. Hey, come on, join the team. You know, join the subscribers team. You know, but it's all love same way. You know, we have love for each and everyone on the same way. It's nothing but love and love alone. Yeah, so just imagine what 70,000 people look like. You know, put 70,000 people in our stadium and you see how many people is that. So I really appreciate it, you know, because my heart goes out. You know, I'm saying sometimes thank you. It's not sometimes. We know thank you is an understatement. You know, my heart felt the love that you guys been pushing out consistently. I am telling you, the love is unreal. You know, because that's what keeps me going, and I love you guys so much. You know, you show me love, I give you love. Even if you show me hate, I still give you love. I know nothing at all but love. You know, I have to big up my mom and see me, you know, because she brought me up good. You understand? She said, Keenan cannot render evil for evil. You know, it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't add up. You know, trust me. She said, if you don't want to be with that person, you can love them from afar. You don't have to speak to them if you don't have to. But you can love them from a distance. Don't carry no weight on your shoulder. Don't carry no hate on your heart. Don't carry no resentment for no one at all. Because listen, they're not feeling it. You're the one that carries it. Is going to feel it. You see me? So from a little child growing up, trust me. Even when me and my friend just fight, you know, I have nothing still against him. See me? Now I wish no bad, nothing at all, no hate. That just me that growing up. See me? So it's up to him if you want to be that sore loser or her to hate me, you know. So it's up to them. They carry that weight. I'm carrying nothing but pure consciousness and happiness, joyfulness. So here we are, guys. So today, remember, living foods. You know, they say gonna have today I'm gonna be the rat in the lab. You know, we're gonna test out some food. You know, some of the special, the menus. You know, so I make sure I eat like literally well early. Yesterday I eat about 6 o'clock. Yeah. So from 6 o'clock, anything else I just drink. You know, drink fruit juice, flowing. That's all. So when I wake up this morning, trust me, I was so hungry. So I couldn't wait now to literally reach there to see what they were gonna have to be testing all these foods from Living Foods, guys. You know, so please, whenever you're here, there's so many spots I'll show you guys. You know, if you want to check out this healthy place, if you want to try a new diet, you know, being healthy, check out healthy food also. I go spice. There's so much healthy spot I'll show you guys. You know, it's just a way of life. So you can use me as an example. You know, I used to eat meat as growing up as a child, you know, so trust me, I'm not missing it no time at all. No time at all. So here we are. So as you can see, the rain is pouring down, you know, the blessing is pouring down. So this is what it's like today. The England weather is here. The England weather is here. So all the thing missing now is just a cup of tea, you know, to chill and watch this weather. So stay tuned, guys. Blessed love. Remember, like the video. If you reach this far, you're watching and you haven't liked it, pause the video. May I wait. Thank you for liking. Blessed love. Lightning. Alright guys, so literally I have to run out the car. There's so many rains. I'm here at Living Food. But the rain and the thunder is a living food. Look. The rain is coming down. Good day. It looks like you start without me. Trace. Oh, the rain could hold me once I say you're Living Food.
Sure.
Bless it. I say greetings. Eating papaya. The rain.
Starting out the digestive system, you know?
Yeah.
Some nice flavor noise.
Well, the rain are going terrible. Nah, lie. Long time.
Alright, choose the stable you're going to
Which table? This one. The regular one. The regular table with the light are coming. Yeah. Yes guys, why? I tell you the rain are going really bad outside, man. I'm not even lying. But them said they're going good, guys. It's a good thing because the trees, the plants, they need it, and the soil, you know, the universe needs it overall. So this is the type of rain make you want to stay here, but trust me, you know the thing goes already. If you have work to go, you have to go to work. You cannot stay home because it's going to water fall. It's on the water, you know. See there? It's on the water, just like when you have being and water with you. So nothing's supposed to stop you to come out your house and do what you have to do, you know. So just I should choose my table. So this is my table where everything I got label, everything I got nice, and everything I got stable. The food I got nice. The wickedest time when the rain start fall, when the worm them start to bite. We want some food right now. They can't just leave me out. They say we want a burger, we can't on the worm. Now the worm I scream and the worm I murmur. the world more food right now. I can reach a living foods, yeah. Yes, guys. Ready.
Doing all of that already, right?
Alright, so today plans, I'm here with Kerry.
Hey. Hi. Tired but ready to serve Kino because Kino has been a real rep for living food and juices. And when I say a real rep, you know, this morning when I was thinking about Kino, when I see water, that's real people. And this morning, as soon as I turned my water system on, Kino came and I was like, you know, I want to just give thanks for him because he's doing so much for people.
Yeah.
And when you see Kino come here and show off something that he's eating, and I'm not free nothing, the man come get the man come pay for him food and share the goodness of what he's buying. So today we just want to love him and show our appreciation lovation. You hear the word here?
Yeah.
For Kino. And guys, when you see people like this that are helping other people, just send some love. If I have good energy, a way to do it is you don't lie down in your bed in a meditative state. You just remember Kino. You cannot do a thing but two. You just remember Kino, close your eyes and just send some great energy to Jamaica.
That's true. That's so
man. So
true.
that's how we're dealing with people who are purpose driven by the Most High. So we're gonna start Kino with a shot, and the shot is going to start with his digestive system. However, we don't have no intention of giving Kino anything that he's used to eating today. So if it's him love the jerk burger, right?
Yeah.
Which one? Turmeric one?
Yeah, the
we'll
turmeric.
change that to them. I get charcoal bun today with something else.
Wow.
Right? So it's comparing the stuff. So while we take time to bring out one stuff and Kino tell you about his real thoughts, and Kino knows how we really, because he don't taste it, don't say taste it.
Of course, you know me already, man. I know the thing goes already. Honesty is the best policy. You know, I know what thing was transparency. So obviously I'm not selling no fake story. So everything is real. Because that's why my subscribers are so authentic. You know, it's a trust network. So they trust me.
Definitely.
So we can't put on nothing fake.
True.
I mean, I get the bashing.
And when they come in, them say, tell Kino, say we coming up.
Exactly.
You know what years will take, but we come. So it's we want when you come, as he said, it is just the truth.
Yes.
Alright? So let's get Kino two shots. A wellness classic. No, we're getting him an anti-inflammatory shot and an anti-mucus shot. So this will start aiding digestion as well as it will move things out of his physical structure.
Alright, so shot. I want to talk about gunshot, you know. We are talking about shots, healthy shots. So, boy, I'm ready for these shots. You know, shotting at the stomach, healthy shot. You know, that's the type of shot we are talking about. That's the type of weapon that will fire, healthy weapon. You understand? So, this is what we're going to get now.
Right, Kino. So this is the anti-mucus or anti-candida. And you know, candida, a lot of Caribbean people has candida because of contaminated water or contaminated food. And I have had the experience where they treat candida for acid reflux, and it's a dangerous bacteria, like H. pylori bacteria that candida causes. Or so we try to get the mucus out of the physical structure. So that's one. And this is the anti-inflammatory. You know, after the mucus is built up, then it causes inflammation in the system. So we're stopping it right there. And this you can take on an 8 days straight, or this you get when you're doing a detox. Anti-inflammatory, anti-mucus. Take it away, Kino. One shot.
One shot. So start with anyone. So open this one for me, please.
Alright, so we do a shake. Ta-da-da. So we don't we just ta-da-da. See how powerful this is?
Kino straight.
You heard of pow?
Alright.
Okay.
Just one go.
One go, one shot.
Live on camera. And not for taste though.
No, sir, one shot.
Just one shot.
And breathe. Breathe. Oh, that feels.
So explain to me, what's the shot? What's in the shot?
So that shot is the anti-mucus shot. So it has the apple cider vinegar, lemon, and other things, and this really clean mucus out of the system.
Okay, so you hear that? So shot one. So I'm having the next one straight away.
Straight away, because they do work together. This is an anti-inflammatory shot. So inflammation, when you have some kind of pain, it is a sign of inflammation. So this, of course, the color you tell that it is turmeric, and turmeric should not be taken alone. So pair it with other things that will activate the curcumin, which is the active ingredients in the turmeric. Alright, so
which is everything is on empty stomach right now.
Empty stomach right now.
Nothing gonna take from morning.
Boy, these are
specials.
Alright. So one shot.
One shot. Another shot. Shot number 2. Here is it. Yellow that glow like you. So more glow for me.
Yeah. Skin and everything.
More glow for me. Wonderful. It's all about the healthiness of it for me, guys, you know, so not about the taste. Trust me, know the taste, them say bitter to the mouth, sweet to the belly. So I don't want no sweet to the mouth, I never bitter to the belly. And trust me, later on, I gotta feel it and I cry like smell it. Yeah, so nice. So that's what I like, you know. I like to get this healthy stuff done in my system, you know, because it makes you feel wealthy. Because you're healthy, you're wealthy, you know. So there's no point you're here and you're not healthy. You have all of your money and yes, so when you're paying and you see money not help you. So you have prevention better than cure. So I'm in the preventing stage, you understand? So I'm here to, you know, enjoy life. And once you're healthy, you're happy. You know, no stress can build up inside you because you're right. If you know you're healthy, you feel good. So once you feel good, you attract good. You know? So that's it with life. Once you feel good, you attract good. So, this is a green bottle now.
Alright, so this is the living food and juice. It's cold pressed, it's the hydraulically green cold pressed juice, and this is anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, anti-aging, anti-anything you can think, because it uses the herbs to make sure that this juice is optimal for your health. Alright, so this juice here is similar to it we offer for our detox therapies. Alright, so we want Kino to have this nice cleaning period to begin before he puts other stuff in, right? And you know we encourage drinking before eating, because when you are eating your meal, the body creates enzymes for digestion, so that's chemical to digest food. You do not want to wash away those chemicals, even though it's a good, excellent juice, but you do not want to wash away the chemicals that are created for digestion and allow food to putrefy, to stagnate and putrefy in the gut. Alright, so Kino is going to full joy his green juice with you guys until we bring another course. Full joy, Kino.
So I'm opening it for me, but this is not a one go, this is a sip, right?
It's a sip, slow sip.
Okay, slow sip, because I don't want to full up my belly, I'm going to get the rest of the thing, you know. Because remember, today I am the rat in the lab, you know, and I'm having a healthy experience, you know. So look, guys, you see why Kerry looks so young and fresh?
At 50.
At 50. Lord. Don't tell anybody that.
I'm not tired of 50 right now, because I'm not going to sleep, I'm studying, and I'm not
You're really 50 for true?
50 years plus.
Plus, no, Kerry, just. Guys, you see, look at her 50. Look at her at 50. You know, you can show me a lot of people right now at 50 and you can tell me, say, see, hey, total difference, right? Total difference. So this is my well green, you know, green like planet Earth, you know.
Hello. Hello.
How are you?
Hello.
So this is my sip. I'm not gonna drink it after quick, you know. I'm feeling good already, you know, the shots, you know, kind of, you know, I get up, I have the Spice, the yaya stuff before I leave out my house, the supplements like the, you know, I had my blood purifier before I left out this morning. I had my dark chocolate. I had my Guinea extract already inside of me this morning, and also my Mooney Plus. I had that as well too, and I also had my more, you know, which is everything is I take it at empty stomach. And even though I'm having these same way, it's all an empty stomach, you know, so I have nothing substantial about, which is everything I'm having now is literally itself, you know, so it's all good for the body, you know. Trust me, I'm going to be here a long time. Healthy is real, guys. So this is my wealth, this is my riches, because, you know, if you can spend so much money and literally like your material stuff, your clothes, your shoes, your food, you know, buy the expensive furniture put in your house. Why you can't spend the same money on yourself? You know? It makes you feel much better living inside your house. So imagine have this nice house, but yet the house more healthy than you with all them bashment furniture and everything. The house healthy, but you deep down here not healthy. You know, so all the house they live more healthier than you. And further live in the jungle and most of them healthy. Right.
I want to set your table for what's next coming.
So when they say don't feel that one set to the next thing that's coming. Living food and juice. So this may have been sip. You know what I want for the it seems like I'm going to be having the whole store today. So, then I sip some more. Wicked. Alright guys, so watch what's coming next.
So, you know, making things a little bit smaller because we are not food lovers.
Yeah.
So this is the cream of pumpkin soup. You've never had this soup before, right?
No, this is...
So that's the cream of pumpkin soup. So this is the way to open your...
Okay. Appetite, you say? Appetizer. So this is pumpkin soup.
Cream of pumpkin soup.
Cream of pumpkin soup.
And then you can take your spoon from there and enjoy your soup.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna try my pumpkin soup. Today I'm working out of pumpkin soup. Pumpkin soup tastes nice. And so it's rich. Wow. This is alright, this is the first time I'm literally trying a pumpkin soup. And this tastes good. Obviously, this I'm going to give you the recipe, but it's thick, so it's a cream of the pumpkin soup, so it's very creamy, it's very thick. You know, so obviously there's a secret ingredient to it. And trust me, it drinks so good. It's so smooth. I could drink this all day. It's no joke. It's very rich and creamy, as you can see. Look, see? It's rich and creamy. This tastes so good. It really have a buzz. Yeah, trust me, this really have a buzz. Wow. This come like any soup where you drink, but much better, because things always surprise me when you try new food, especially the right type of food. And this is so good. the texture of it. Guys, I know I'm not, well, they're not the new talking. You know I'm not capping, which is, I know I'm not lying, I'm not talking a bag of hype, you know, a bag of thing just for you to say, yes, I want to go and try it, and then when you try it, you're disappointed. No, I'll tell you exactly what's going on. This thing is ranking, and that's how it is, in that ranking. So, to be honest, I wouldn't want it to be finished. I wouldn't want it to finish. Damn. Feel warm down the stomach. So you see, why the rain could have stopped me? The rain would have fallen out look more. See that for come for this. Nice. Look, I'm done already. It's like me to drink more, but yeah, I may have more things coming. Guys, please. Everything done. This tastes so good. It literally tastes so good. And I really ask for some more. You know, to be honest, and I really do ask for some more. But I don't want to because I have more stuff coming. I'm telling you, living food and juices, guys. So this is the pumpkin soup I had. So I'm having things that you can have when you come here, you know, so you can know what's here on the menu, you know, and trust me. So far, everything from the shots, you know, to the green juice, then to the pumpkin soup. Everything around 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. I got more to come, you know. Hey. Well, the worm them not ball no more. You know, them well settled. The rain will fall outside and you're eating these good food while the rain is falling. Hey, trust me. That deserve to grab a beverage. So guys, remember, living food and juices, you know, you see it located in Lane Plaza. You know, I'm going to give you all the information. When she's here, you're going to get all the information as well too. If you're watching here in Jamaica or whenever you come to Jamaica, anywhere close by, and want to come check out Living Food and Juices, just the same way you want to check out Ivo Spice, you know, you can always change it up so you don't get used to one thing, you know, you can always change it up so you know, the thing keep on rotate inside, so you don't get bored of eating what's right, you know. Because you know in life, sometimes when you're eating one thing, you know, you tend to get client, you know. So it's good to change it up. Change is good, you know. Randy Pottinger from Jamaica would have said change and balance. You understand? You look at Randy Pottinger, Jamaica Good Life. He would have said change and balance. You know. I feel good. Good. So catch you back past next. back again, guys. We're back again, and look what's at it again. Wow.
So, you know, these are 3 of the burgers that we do, right? And you're always ordering the turmeric bun. So no, you cannot eat the turmeric bun, but we still let the people see a wide array of burgers that we do at Living Food and Juices. And who says plant-based food can taste good? Or who says plant-based food can taste good and not just taste good, but look good
as
right?
well.
So and if you guys check Kino page, you'll see he's always eating the turmeric bun.
Always.
So he has to make other choices today.
Jeez.
Alright?
What a wonderful choices today.
So you're gonna have to make a choice which you're gonna eat.
So name these buns for me that we have here.
So this is the beet bun. Right here in front of you dancing is the beet bun, and it's beetroot based bun. And beetroot of course is good for blood circulation. And then we have the activated charcoal bun here, and the activated charcoal bun takes toxins away from the body. And of course we have the turmeric bun, which turmeric alleviates inflammation. Alright.
So I guess my special bun is still there.
It's still there, but we'll show it because we want to show the people the wide array of
what you got.
what we guys have.
Wow.
So you're gonna have to choose what you're gonna eat.
So wow, why them look so good. But I'm gonna try the charcoal.
Charcoal, alright. So you're gonna show them how to take up a burger and put on your plate as a challenge. You think you can manage?
Of course, I easy challenge that. You just take it up like this.
Oh.
Just like that.
And over to the plate. Congratulations.
Just like that. Jeez, don't move. Right now I'm gonna weigh down in the belly.
So you're gonna tell me how that tastes. And Kino, you know, we're thinking that you have never had a dish from us. I can't remember you ordered a dish. So on the menu is aki okra and bean, curry jackfruit, curry chickpea, red pea stew, black bean stew, vegetable rundown, and the sides are sweet potato mash, callaloo dumpling, bulgur and bean, quinoa and beans, seared or steamed bami. Which one you choose today?
I like the sound of the veggie rundown.
That's a good choice.
Good choice, right? Yeah, because anything with vegetable and it's a rundown, it must well good. You understand? So Kerry, so come tell them exactly now, give them some information on your location, where you're based, and your contact information before we dive into all of this, because right now I don't want to have any memory loss while I'm eating, because the food will take my mind away. So let's make it get some information from now, before I dive in. So let them know where we are exactly.
Alright, so we are at Lane Plaza, Constant Spring Road. So you hear the address? Constant Spring Road, right? So it's off Constant Spring Road or off South Avenue, and we are shop number 2. You can follow us on Instagram at Living Food and Juices, also on Facebook, and our number is 857, which is 876 area code, 876-857-7887. And remember, Lane Plaza, Constant Spring Road. And we are growing because we want you to grow.
Of course.
It's fast.
And you're not only growing, you're growing healthy as well too. So we all have to grow healthy. So now I'm going to dive into this charcoal burger. You see, I'm not go for looks. Can you notice? I go for the darkest one. Can I know which one would you choose if it was you? Because you have the beetroot and you have the turmeric, and then you have the charcoal. I know a lot of one might look past the charcoal because it looks black and everything, and you probably go for the beetroot or the turmeric. So I made that right choice. So now you go so hard one. You know what I mean? It's a time. So what I go on right now. See what I go on, know what I go on, food I go on right now. So here you are. Special.
No, that fish should have made it here before, right?
See? Sometimes a change is good. But it takes a deep sacrifice to change from what you know we used to be comfortable with. So this one is like I'm eating a turmeric jerk burger. You know? It's got that wonderful taste same way. Wow. Guys, remember mint for your mouth bowl in water while you're watching me eat. And trust me, it also but wow, it tastes good also. Boy, most of the boy, you know, who they can eat.
And charcoal one before that charcoal.
Yeah. The vegetable, yeah? We have it to that? We have it with again?
We have quinoa, we have callaloo dumpling, bulgur bean, quinoa bean, syrup and steamed down.
Callaloo dumpling?
You should try that.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's grab the callaloo dumpling, right?
Wow. Guys, just another try is for me as well.
Yes.
I'm sorry, the man heart is cooking good food.
Like charcoal one kilo?
Yeah. Something new we can try. I really like charcoal bun. I really do like charcoal bun.
Here, when you check.
Yeah?
You're sure of your areas of the area?
Oh wow. Wow. That tastes really good. So now listen, there's challenge right now. You know, I think I got part of the turmeric bun for now. I'm gonna start working with the charcoal. Because sometimes when you drive a car for too long and you don't have time, you know, you have to just put it up, park it one side for a minute, and just go and drive something else. So that's what's gonna happen right now with this new charcoal one. I'm just gonna park that aside, the turmeric aside, and drive the charcoal. You know, black one, sweet and the better. Charcoal is also good as well for you. there's more space, you know, there's more space. Oliver they teach me, when Oliver used to go on the resort, Oliver used to teach me how to leave a room for more food in the area, you know. So you just say Oliver and Carla, you know, there's more room. I understand, glow already, the food man glow more. Hey Kerry, that is definitely wonderful. Yeah, it's definitely that charcoal is going on with things. Really, to be honest, guys, the charcoal will go with good things, you know. Good things in the belly. Good things there. Hey. So the more is coming up. So more is coming up, so there's more room, you know. From 6 o'clock yesterday, I had dinner and nothing else, you know, preserved for today. So you know, hey, I'm ready. It's a food war, you know, food war. So much different already. Trust me, I'm feeling so good when I give time. So guys, remember, don't hesitate to check out Living Food whenever you're here. Do not hesitate at all, you know, and thank to all that support came around, you know, and show them visit, you know. Thank you so much. But yes, guys, this is good. Trust me, good. 10 out of 10. Yeah. Alright, so this is the vegetable rundown. So guys, wow. Imagine, I was thinking about cooking callaloo dumpling the other day on the river, but it's not looking like this. It's not gonna look like this, you know. And this is the rundown, right? Vegetable stew. Wow. Alright, I got more than full jar. The jar is over full. This jar is over full. This is so good. So vegetables run down, guys. So as you can see, rundown is here. Okra, I can see the okra, I can see the pumpkin, I can see this black plantain. Right, let me see. You know, sweet potato. And this is the callaloo dumpling. Kerry, we know this is not ordinary flour like where everyone that use what them buy at the shop and everything.
So that's oat flour that we make ourselves.
Okay, so this is oat flour, you make it yourself. So it's a living food.
Or we grind it ourselves.
Okay.
We grind the oat down to flour.
Okay, guys, so it's not the ordinary plain flour where they go and get it in supermarket or a regular shop. You know, this is oat flour where they grind it themselves. And you can see we have the regular vegetable here.
Coconut milk that we actually press ourselves.
Okay, and them also press the coconut milk themselves. So you see everything organic. And the vegetables you can see. 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10.
Right,
so yeah, so I'm gonna put dry, guys. So it's not like our ordinary it's not like our ordinary flour that we always use at the shop. So this is well grinded for that. And to be honest, it does taste different. You know, you can tell it's more healthy than what we used to. It's not the oats dumpling flour. It's not the oats dumpling flour. So this is top tier. So let me just pour this out like this. Same new thing already. As when I play up. So healthy for the day, guys. Healthy for the day. Wonderful. You know, something just crossed my mind. You know, growing up, you know, in the modern society, you know, we'll always learn one way how to cook, you know, and use one way of things that them always provide us to use. Which is if we're going to make flour, using normal flour them out, you know, people try to use healthy flour these days, you know, but 90 to 80% people tend to use the system flour, you know, that the system provides, you know, and most of us growing up, we never learned to cook this healthy way, you know, we learned to cook the normal, the chicken, you know, the curry chicken, the beef, the oxtail with the normal rice, you know, not quinoa, you know, and with the normal flour. So, it's not everyone literally can cook like this inside a house, but there's a way for you to start, you know. It's never too late for a shower of rain. So that's all of my take. Understand? That's all of my take. Well done. So even this vegetable rundown, I never cook it this way before. You know, we cook like salt and rundown because we used to that as our culture. You know, we talk about rundown, talking about salt mackerel rundown, but we're not talking about vegetable stew rundown. You know, this is something that I can try at my own. You know, with my coconut milk. So, it's all good doing the healthy way and life. Good. And everything here tastes good, like, you know. There's nothing to complain about. Nothing to complain about. It feels right, it tastes right, it is well right. You know? And this is not a publicity stunt. No. It's a real way of eating. Trust me.
One more burger. Want to say one?
Yeah.
So jerk black ball for mama, for papa.
See? That's the callaloo dumpling. It's shoe on top.
Then you run down for papa with. Sweet potato mash, then you run down.
So you can also try this at home, you know?
Yeah, right there in that bread over there. The bread or the green stone. You see?
Carry over there having something.
Yeah, I feel like I want to have a burger today, and even though as my fast, I'm breaking up, I pick it up potato. I see I eat the burger, but I just get jealous.
Oh,
Not the one Ricardo, but it's eating in black bean burger, I just get jealous. So you know me, I top up my burger. I always love extra raw onion. I don't know why. Of course, you're one always get
just a bit of pepper.
This is a bird pepper. We call it bird pepper.
Some say cayenne pepper, right?
Yeah, this is a form of cayenne pepper. Yeah, so because my mouth not so wide.
Yeah, they're pressing. So what we have here is a flush.
So that's the flush. So after you eat too much or you drink too much or your body just feels stagnated, we have the living food and juices flush. And the flush definitely go in and detoxify from a systemic level, from a cellular level, each system. So this is how we start our detox therapies with the flush. So
that digested everything.
The flush, so the flush is something that you take on an empty stomach. It's a detox. So you take it on an empty stomach 3 hours after you eat, and it does some nice things. So basically these are some of the herbs that they would give us when we were children, with other herbs that we have studied to be laxative, but you know, for different part of the system. So living food and juices flush. And check on our Instagram page and you will see the goodness of living food and juices flush.
Flush. So take your bike, carry me up, see what it's like. She's eating my burger, guys. That is my burger she's eating there. You know, the jerk one with the turmeric bun. But it have competition now because the charcoal bun have one with things. I really like the charcoal bun, you know.
Charcoal bun sometimes is the best seller. All the buns are really nice.
But the charcoal
can be the best seller sometimes. You have had the charcoal bun, right? Which is your favorite bun?
Yeah, charcoal have a different, it have a crunch to it as well, and I like that.
So people will say, when they come here, they'll say, oh, the charcoal is a smaller bun. It's the same weight bun, but charcoal doesn't rise. Charcoal acts differently to everything. But it's a really nice bun.
Yeah, it is.
I have to be careful when I'm eating charcoal bun because I eat 3 burgers.
Got a bun, right? Yeah, that is true. Because I really like the charcoal bun, guys. I guess you're gonna see me having some charcoal bun whenever I'm here. Trust me. So, let me go and enjoy. Because I know your mouth is running water watching this. I'm so sorry. But come to Living Foods.
And this pepper also helps the food to absorb. Absorption and circulation. Want one of that? Alright, cool.
Red pepper. Fire in my stomach.
I think the guy is over here.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, you know it, right?
Yeah.
Fire in my stomach, boy.
It looks just like you know? Look beautiful, right?
Fire in the stomach.
The pepper, right?
Yeah. That's good.
Serious pepper.
It's very serious, guys. Yeah. Serious.
We know the cookies. Come on. My favorite example show was the kind of shit. She's gonna keep it.
Case justified. To be honest, I am stuffed. I cannot go another I am stuffed, guys. I'm saying it's all about living food and juices, you know. Come and try it. You cannot go wrong. I am really stuffed. It's still raining, you know, so it's been a rainy food, a rainy day, and a healthy food, a healthy life of living food. living right. So guys, trust me, it's nice, live right, eat healthy, you know, and then feel so wealthy. You know, I feel so wealthy. Kerry, stuff in my bus. Most.
Oh my gosh.
Listen.
So that's, oh, Kino, yes, them dumpling, they heavy, you know?
Yeah.
So that was Kino's spread.
Aye, Kino spread.
So we're not going to make you go and eat nothing and bust your belly.
That's Kino spread in the bed right now. Spread out in the bed.
What was your favorite thing?
Alright. To be honest, that's very hard. You know, because you know everything is stage, right? Everything is stage. See, if you want to start from your starter, appetizer, you know, to your meal. So it's all stage. For me, for the stages, then everything is 10 out of 10. But if you come here and you feel for appetizer, trust me, that pumpkin soup, hey, it is the thing. If I start with the shots them and everything, that's well qualified because I need that first. You know, it makes me feel so good as well. Everything does give me that perfection that I need when it comes out to eating food that's make you feel good. You know, so everything is great. So everything is still entertaining for me. You know, I don't think the only thing what I have different is from my turmeric bun is the charcoal. So that's the only thing we can change and try whenever I come back here because the charcoal bun it have a buzz to it, you know, which is different type of health also, right, Kerry?
Definitely. That food toxins on the body. And when you understand that, you realize that when you were eating and not drinking, you weren't as tough as if you were eating and drinking. When you have the meal before.
Yeah. And that's true. And it feels so, everything is just wonderful. So good, I'm telling you guys. Kerry, I want to thank you so much for this wonderful time.
Of course, it's that here all the time.
We are living food. More men. No? Oh, no.
There's more to come different times.
Yeah. This time the rack is full. You know?
He doesn't know.
You ever said no? Oh gosh, if you see the look at my face.
So in the past you've had the cake, you've had the shots, now you have the shots, you've had the green juice. What juice you know? You normally do a smoothie.
Yeah.
So we didn't do a smoothie because you have to be careful when you're eating, you want to make sure that your food are combined properly. So you realize that we kept it very, very neat.
Yeah, so this now I'm going to finish off everything. You know, we have to finish off everything, guys. Everything is neutral, so trust me. Living food and juices, tell them where we are once more.
We're in Plaza, also on our Francis Road, and our number is 876-857-7887. So we're not staying enough. We're nice in the background. We're there, we're eating a lot.
Yeah.
And we're Kino spread, and we're feasting, and we're eating Gang for Life. So we're at Lane Plaza, off Francis Road, shop number 2. And our number again is 876-857-7887. Follow us on Instagram.
Of course.
Yes.
I'm going to come over and get a percentage off. You might get an extra calorie dumpling for that. You know, trust me guys, it's wonderful. So it's been a blessing, it's been a pleasure. It's been a rainy day with a nice rainy weather food, you know, healthy weather food. So boy, that Kino spread, me to go lie down in my bed. You know, so guys, blessed love for all, blessed love all. So thank you so much for enjoying this video. Trust me, I know your belly probably full like mine right now, but yeah, we give thanks. And thank you so much. Alright then, yeah, take it easy. Alright guys, oh the rain still falling. It's not so heavy. It's not so heavy, but with food in my belly, trust me, guys, I feel good, so good. But it's raining still, so woo. Oh boy. Feels like I can't go any further. Oh no, what living food done to me. I am stuffed. I am packed. I am floating. God damn. That's the first time. Why? Oliver and Carla. Why Oliver teach me how to leave room in my belly. When time we go at resort and we eating and we know so there's so many things for you to eat. When you see that dinner time, you know, the breakfast time and lunch time. You know, but trust me, no more room no left at all. Not eating. Fair drip of water. Jeez, that was good. Not living food and juices, that was good, guys. I swear I'm not even lying. That was really good. So it's a rainy day. I will give thanks. I will thank you guys so much for watching Kid Life in Jamaica. Thank you so much for this journey. You know.
Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.